In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Patch Tool in Photopea. If you've ever wanted to remove distractions or imperfections from a photo without leaving obvious edits, the Patch Tool is a quick, natural-looking solution. We'll walk through opening your image, selecting the tool, and making a clean patch so the edit blends right in. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. It runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install, and it works with common formats like JPG, PNG, and even PSD. Once the workspace loads, click Open from Computer. Select the image you want to edit from your files and confirm. Photopea will place your photo on the canvas, ready to work. Next, look over to the toolbar on the left. Find the Spot Healing Brush Tool icon. It's part of a group, so right-click that icon to reveal the hidden options. From the menu that appears, choose Patch Tool. The Patch Tool lets you define an area you want to fix and then replace it with cleaner texture from another part of the image, while blending edges to keep everything seamless. Now decide what you want to remove or tidy up. Maybe a blemish, a logo, or a small object. With the Patch Tool active, click and drag to draw a loose selection around that object. Think of it like outlining the problem area. You don't have to be pixel perfect. Give yourself a little breathing room around the edges so the blend looks natural. If the area is detailed, zoom in so you can trace more confidently and keep your selection smooth. Once the marching ants are around the object, click inside the selection and drag it to a clean area of the image that has similar texture, color, and lighting. For example, if you're removing something from grass, drag over to a patch of clean grass. If it's skin, pick a nearby spot with similar tone. When you release the mouse, Photopea will use that sampled area to replace your selection and blend it into the surroundings. Take a moment to evaluate the result. If the texture doesn't match or you see a faint seam, press undo and try dragging to a different source area. Small, overlapping fixes often look better than one large patch, especially on patterns or gradients. You can repeat this process for any additional distractions in the image until everything looks cohesive and natural. And that's it. By opening your photo, selecting the Patch tool, outlining the distraction, and dragging to a clean source, you can quickly create professional, seamless edits right in your browser.